Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. Yes, and guys, I'm gonna cook a home cooked meal. Yes, it's my dinner time. Alright, so we're gonna season up this bad boy. But just before I do that, I have some sweet potato or yam over here. I'm gonna boil them and then I'm gonna just crush them in some olive oil and some garlic and stuff. Okay, and I'm gonna serve that on the side, and I think I'm gonna serve it with some asparagus, and we're gonna do some garlic and herb salmon recipe for you. Okay, so I have some fresh cut salmon here, and this is my Jamaican fish seasoning, and I'm gonna put a little bit, about a teaspoon. This is my Maggi all purpose. I'm gonna put a little bit as well, not too much. A little bit of my garlic and herbs. We're gonna put some black pepper, and here I have my extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put a little bit over it to rub up everything, about a teaspoon. All right, and look at this goodness, guys. Just go ahead and rub it up. Oh boy, oh boy. I thought it was videoing, but anyhow, I put some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons. All right, and look at the goodness, guys, so fresh and nice. All right, so I'm gonna fry up these, and I'm gonna put it on this side first. It's hot, look like you can't hold, guys. If I have one more piece, wait, let them fry up a little bit first, and then I put this little piece, and I have this little piece. So after I'm gonna fry this, can't hold, make them fry up a little bit more. So you want to give them about 4 or 5 minutes on each side, and then we're gonna kind of simmer it down. All right, guys, basically I make some space or some room, and then I'm gonna put this one. Okay. All right, my peeps, when you think they fry up somewhat, I'm gonna flip them over. Now I have about 3/4 of an onion. I have some garlic, some minced garlic. All right, and I'm gonna put like this amount, about a teaspoon. You can put more if you like a lot of garlic. And this is my blended season over here. I'm gonna put like 2 teaspoons, something like so. We have some parsley. We're gonna put some of that. This is my sweet chili. I'm gonna put about 1/3 cup or 1/4 cup. I'm just gonna turn this one. All right, I'm gonna give it about a minute or 2, and then we're gonna like pan-sear it a little bit. I'm gonna put a little bit of paprika for color, about a teaspoon. And now I'm gonna add some water, about 1/2 cup. My herb and spices in there, guys, and this is it. I don't want so much olive oil, so I'm gonna kind of drain off a little bit and come back. I drain off most of the oil, okay, over here. All right, and this is the goodness, and we're gonna pour it on top. Make sure you mix out all of it. This part I'm gonna eat. Okay, guys. Oh. So good. Oh my god, so good. Alright, my peeps, we're just gonna let this dry down. And it's all ready. I'm gonna put my onion. Give it a little extra flavor there. And I already put my blended seasoning. I will leave a link. You have thyme, parsley, cilantro, onion, scallion, garlic, and all of that goodness. Pimento in it. Okay, guys? So, a little bit of my frozen scallion. Can't do without that. And if you want to add a little bit of salt, you can, but this is okay. I'm just gonna let this simmer down for like 4 minutes. Turn down the stove 4 or 5 minutes, and then it's all done. Alright, my peeps, and this is where we're at. I forgot to put scotch bonnet pepper, so I'm gonna put a little bit of cayenne pepper. You know you want pepper for your fish. Not too much. If you have kids eating it, don't put too much. And just baste it like this, guys. And that's a goodness. Okay, stove off. Now guys, I'm just gonna do a little bit of asparagus, and I don't like mine overcooked, so I'm just gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil over it, a little bit of salt and black pepper. Alright, and I'm gonna put a little bit of my garlic and herbs, just a little bit, and that's it. Let's go ahead and toss this up a little bit for a few minutes, and this is it. That's how I do mine. Simple and easy. Okay, for about, I would give it about say 3 to 4 minutes on like medium to low, and it's all done. Okay, fix that the one back there. Yes, sir. Simple and easy. Alright, potato cook, and guys, I'm just gonna strain it off, and then I'm gonna mash it out. Okay guys, so what I'm doing, I'm just taking off all the skin. Alright, and then I'm gonna put them over here. Alright, they're super hot, so I just take it out like that. Woo. Over here. I'm gonna do the rest, and I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna get a little bit of my garlic paste. Okay, you can use butter at this time. I'm gonna put like a teaspoon of olive oil, or maybe you can put 2, but not too much. Okay, don't overdo it. Okay, season is done guys, but I'm gonna put like a teaspoon. Okay, mix that out, and that's it. If you want more salt, you can put a little salt. Okay, and you just want to mash this or mush it. Okay, it's hot, full of flavor. Woo. Taste it guys, and if you want a little bit of salt, you can put salt. And that's how I'm serving it up. You can put some butter. Alright, and this is how I'm serving my mashed sweet potato. Okay guys, you can make it more creamy if you want. I'm just gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna serve up some. Okay, really good, full of flavor. Let's serve up some. You see guys, I don't like mine overcooked, so we're gonna put some right here. I'm gonna take a piece of this juicy salmon. We're gonna set it here. We're gonna do another piece more. Let's do 2 pieces. Ooh. We're gonna put it beside each other like that. Alright guys, we're gonna take up some of the goodness. I'm gonna put it like right here. Woo. Oh, mamma mia. I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna scoop up a little bit. Kind of scoop it up like that. And I'm gonna put like 2 scoops, or maybe I tap one on each other. Ooh, something like that. And we're gonna put the tomato. And my peeps, this is it. This is what I'm serving up. My garlic and herb and asparagus and some sweet potato. And that's my dinner for you guys. It looks super yummy and it tastes good too, full of flavor. All right, my peeps, I put some tomato and a few pieces of lemon. All right, you have a good day. Bye guys. Try this recipe and tell me what you think. Okay guys. All right, my peeps, there you have it. Love upon me and I love upon you. You have a good day. Bye guys. Oh mamma mia, super yummy, super delicious. Guys, I start to eat. I just eat 1 piece. I'm not gonna eat 2 pieces. Oh my goodness, look at this guys. Look at that. Oh. So good. Oh, so good. Oh mamma mia. All right, my peeps, I'm gonna finish eat now. So good. Bye guys.